everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the multi-tab function. This feature is helpful and will save you time, allowing you to have multiple pages up on your database at one time. To do this, you can click on any menu and then on any sub-menu, hold the left-hand button down of your mouse. You will see a release to open in new tab box. When you let go of the button, you will now see a new tab. This allows you to switch from page to page within your database. Now the fun begins. Anything with a hyperlink, you can also multi-tab. So for example, if you click on the hyperlink of a guardian's name, hold the left-hand button down of your mouse and release. You can now bring up the Guardians page. If we click on the Children's tab and we click on the hyperlink of the child and we let go, we have now got the child's page. This allows you to now switch between the Guardians page and back to the child's page, etc. You may wish to look at the Guardian's customer account statement at the same time. So you can click on the Reports menu under your Financial, click on Customer Account Statement, hold the left-hand button down and release to have that extra page. You can have unlimited amount of multiple pages, and if you wish to remove a page, you can just simply click the cross. And this will remove the page that you no longer require. For any further assistance on our multi-tab feature within Kidsoft, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.